Ever felt like you're carrying the weight of the world on your shoulders? In today's fast-paced world, this feeling is more than just a figure of speech. Stress, the body's response to any demand or threat, has become a pervasive part of modern life. With the endless list of tasks and responsibilities that demand our attention, it's no wonder that stress is as common as the air we breathe. From the hustle and bustle of our daily commutes to the pressures of work and personal relationships, stressors lurk around every corner. But what does this constant state of stress do to us? Well, the effects are far-reaching and can infiltrate every aspect of our lives. Physically, stress can manifest in various ways, such as headaches, muscle tension, chest pain, and fatigue. It can disrupt our sleep, affect our appetite, and even weaken our immune system, making us more susceptible to illnesses. Mentally, stress can be just as damaging. It can lead to feelings of anxiety, restlessness, and lack of motivation or focus. It can cloud our judgment, making it harder to make decisions or solve problems. Over time, it can even contribute to serious mental health issues like depression and anxiety disorders. And the impact of stress doesn't stop there. It can also severely affect our productivity and overall quality of life. Stress can make it difficult to concentrate or remember things, leading to decreased performance at work or school. It can strain relationships, as we may become more irritable or less patient with others, and it can rob us of the joy and satisfaction we should be getting from our daily activities. So, as we can see, stress is not something to be taken lightly. It's a serious issue that can wreak havoc on our bodies, minds, and lives. But here's the good news: we're not helpless against it. There are ways to manage and reduce stress, to take back control of our lives. Stress may be a common part of life, but it doesn't have to rule your life. With the right tools and strategies, we can learn to navigate through the stormy seas of stress and find calm in the chaos. Stay tuned to find out how. Imagine having a tool that can help you manage stress effectively. That tool is yoga. Yoga, a centuries-old practice, merges the physical, mental, and spiritual aspects of well-being into a harmonious whole. Its principles are rooted in the unification of mind, body, and spirit, providing a unique approach to stress reduction and overall well-being. But how does it work, you might wonder? Let's delve into the mechanics of yoga as a stress reliever. At its core, yoga involves mindful movement. This is not about simply going through the motions, but rather about being completely present in each pose, each transition, each breath. It's about cultivating awareness of your body, how it moves and how it feels. This focus on the present moment is a powerful antidote to stress, which often arises from worrying about the past or the future. Breath control, or pranayama, is another key component of yoga. By focusing on and regulating your breath, you can shift your body's response to stress. Deep, controlled breathing triggers the relaxation response, dampening the effects of the stress hormone cortisol, slowing your heart rate, and lowering your blood pressure. Then there's meditation. While some view it as an optional add-on to their yoga practice, meditation is in fact intrinsic to yoga. It serves as the bridge between the physical and the mental, helping to quiet the mind and promote a state of peace and calm. Through these three elements, mindful movement, breath control, and meditation, yoga offers a holistic approach to stress relief. It isn't just about bending and twisting your body into various shapes, but about cultivating a sense of inner calm and balance. It's about learning to ride the waves of life with grace and ease, rather than being swept away by them. So, whether you're a seasoned yogi or a complete beginner, remember this: yoga isn't a quick fix. It's a journey of self-discovery, of finding peace amidst chaos, of learning to navigate life's challenges with a calm and steady mind. Yoga is more than just an exercise, it's a holistic approach to well-being. Now it's time to get into the heart of the matter: yoga poses for stress relief. These poses are designed to help you connect with your body, focus on your breathing, and bring about a state of calm and relaxation. Let's start with the child's pose, also known as balasana. This pose is a resting pose meant to calm the brain and help relieve stress and fatigue. To do this pose, start by kneeling on your mat with your toes together and knees hip-width apart. Next, rest your buttocks on your heels, fold forward at the waist, and extend your arms in front of you. Let your forehead rest on the mat and breathe deeply. Hold this pose for about 1 to 2 minutes, focusing on your breath as you do so. Next up is the seated forward bend, or Paschimottanasana. This pose is fantastic for relieving stress as it helps to calm the mind and soothe headache and anxiety. To do this pose, sit up straight on your mat with your legs extended in front of you. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, Bend forward from your hip joints, keeping your spine long. Reach your hands towards your feet. If you can't reach your feet, that's okay. Just reach as far as you can. Hold this pose for about 1 to 2 minutes, focusing on your breath. Our third pose is the legs up the wall pose, known in Sanskrit as Viparita Karani. This pose is great for relieving mild backache and calming the mind. To perform this pose, sit sideways against a wall. Gently swing your legs up onto the wall as you pivot your body to lie down on your back, keeping your legs straight. Your buttocks should be near or against the wall. Rest your arms by your sides, palms facing up, and breathe deeply. Hold this pose for about 5 minutes, letting your breath guide you. And finally we come to the corpse pose or Savasana. This pose may seem simple, but it's incredibly powerful for stress relief. It's a time for the body to relax and for the mind to become quiet. To do this pose, lie flat on your back on your mat. Let your legs spread slightly apart naturally, and allow your feet to relax to the sides. Rest your arms along the sides of your body, palms facing up. Close your eyes and take slow, deep breaths. Allow any tension in your body to melt away as you relax into the pose. Hold this pose for 5 to 10 minutes. These are just a few of the many yoga poses that can help with stress relief. Each one has its unique benefits, but they all share a common goal: to help you connect with your body and your breath. Yoga is not about achieving the perfect pose. It's about finding a sense of peace and calm within yourself. So don't worry if you can't do a pose perfectly. The important thing is to listen to your body and focus on your breath. Remember, the goal is not to perfect the pose, but to connect with your body and breath. So, what have we learned today? We've been on quite a journey, haven't we? We've delved into the impact of stress on our daily lives, how it can turn our world upside down, and create a whirlpool of chaos and uncertainty. Stress, we now know, is not just an abstract concept but a tangible force that can affect our mental, emotional, and physical well-being. From there, we moved on to the healing power of yoga. Yoga, an ancient practice that has been around for thousands of years, is not just about flexibility or fitness. It's about connecting with our breath, our body, and our spirit. It's about creating harmony within ourselves. And when we're in harmony, stress doesn't stand a chance. We discovered how yoga can be a potent tool for stress relief. By practicing yoga, we can cultivate mindfulness, focus our energy, and channel our thoughts towards positivity and peace. We learned that yoga can help us manage our stress levels, improve our mood, and even enhance our overall quality of life. And then, we took a deep dive into the step-by-step guide to yoga poses specifically designed for stress relief. We went through each pose, understanding its purpose and benefits, and how to properly execute it. From the calming child's pose to the invigorating downward-facing dog, we walked through a sequence of poses that can help us unwind, release tension, and find tranquility amidst the hustle and bustle of our daily lives. Now, as we wrap things up, I want to leave you with a word of encouragement. Remember, yoga is a journey, not a destination. It's not about perfecting each pose, it's about showing up for yourself day after day. So, don't be discouraged if you can't get a pose right the first time. Keep trying, keep practicing, and most importantly, keep breathing. And before you embark on your yoga journey, do consult with a healthcare professional or a certified yoga instructor. Safety should always come first. You have the power to manage your stress. Start your yoga journey today.